Hey guys, welcome back to another ZPol unboxing, and today we're going to take a look at the Z120 Logitech, and this is a USB powered 2-watt speaker. So very compact and of course really cheap, around 600 pesos or around $10 for a speaker, and also a Logitech. So when I saw it, might just give it a shot. So I want to get a speaker just to use it on my laptop, because sometimes I'm on the go and sometimes I don't want to use my laptop speakers to preserve its life. And 600 pesos for a Logitech, that alone is a unique selling point. So it's Z150, Z120 compact stereo speakers, 2 watts, and simple setup, 3.5mm jack, USB powered. So you won't need to plug this in your outlet, which is really cool. You just need to power it with your laptop. USB powered, simple setup, and also cable management. And of course, you get your typical Logitech kind of box, really nicely packaged. For 600 pesos, it's actually one of the most premium looking speakers that I have seen, USB speakers. And what's good here is, compared to other speakers in the price range, sometimes the speakers are just 1.5 watts. So this is bigger in wattage, which will lead to louder sound, which is something that you like for speakers for sure. Opening it up, so I'm gonna give you guys my initial impressions in this one. So you're seeing that purple light that we have in the lab. So let's open it up, and this is the unboxing experience, guys. So connect to your PC, and you can also even connect to your socket through a charger. Yeah, volume controls, and also you get, of course, 2 speakers, one for each side. And inside the box, you're getting the speaker, and you're also getting some manuals. Speaker itself is actually quite big for a USB speaker. It's not the smallest speaker. The Genius one is smaller. I had that before. So this is your information. So Logitech, I'm a big fan, usually for build quality. It's one of my favorite, if not my favorite in PC peripherals. I had the MX518 before. The mouse, it's 15 years old and still working. So longevity, definitely Logitech knows how to do their stuff. So let's inspect the speakers. So as you can see, guys, you have that kind of panda design, mix of white and black. Also, you're getting that volume knob here. So the volume knob is not so bad feeling. Actually, it kind of feels good. It has some weight to it. You have the LED indicator to see if it's turned on. Again, the plastic is kind of premium looking. It's not cheap at all. So the Genius one that I had before is definitely cheaper looking compared to this one. You're also getting that cable management thing, which is nice, for a cheap speaker. So you can, carry this around your bag, because that's maybe their intention here. You can bring this out in a portable use, and that's really versatile, because yeah, you would want speakers. Maybe you have a party, you want to bring a speakers there, a louder one compared to your laptop speaker. So might be this is the option for you. Of course, you have that USB and a 3.5mm jack as well. And in terms of dimensions, it's around maybe a bit bigger compared to your usual Bluetooth speaker. So this is quite weighty and also big as well. So for 600 pesos, that's something that you like. Of course, you would want to having some weight to it, gives it a bit more premium feel. So they have better quality plastics, better quality build quality as well. So let's try it out and make you guys have a listen, and I'll give you guys my initial impressions in this one. This is the sound quality that you're gonna get with this one. Right, so in terms of the loudness, it actually is okay. You can cover a small room, like maybe a 10 square meter or 15 square meter room. So it goes loud enough. So if you're in a condominium, this might be good for you. In terms of the sound quality itself, definitely it's not the most revealing. It's I would say typical of any 1,000 peso or $20 kind of speaker. It's not the most revealing. It's more in the smooth side in presentation. The bass is a bit mellow. It's not your punchy thumping type of bass. The vocals are pretty clear, so that's good. That's a good part. The highs are a bit more extended. It's not the most extended that I've seen, but definitely it's not muffled sounding, so that's good that you have ample highs to have a listen to your tracks. But definitely this is not the most revealing speaker. It's a bit veiled still, but for this kind of price, I would say not so bad overall. But of course, if you are an audiophile, you would want a better speaker. But for me, for a backup speaker, these are pretty okay, pretty good for some casual listening. For 600 pesos, I think it's pretty good deal. It's a very good build quality. It feels really weighty, and also with the Logitech brand, you're getting that longevity, you're getting that build quality. So I'm more confident that this won't bog down on me after some time. So that's good. Sound quality just okay, goes loud enough. For a bigger room, you would want to get bigger speaker compared to this one. But for a USB powered, it's pretty portable, and it's pretty convenient as well, just to bring it in your bag. You have kind of cable management, so I would say this well thought out for cheap speaker. So that's our impressions and unboxing of the Z120. If you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpol unboxing. Goodbye.